MSc Sports Health and Exercise Science covers a diverse range of topics. We are studying physical activity and health, strength and conditioning for athletes, biomechanics for performance analysis, along with the basic exercise physiology, the best part of the degree. It's the way it was taught, like the practical application of the stuff, the learning through different laboratories and performing different experiments and deducing results. My university found me a placement within the university's sports park with the university's netball team. I worked as their sports physio throughout the whole season. It was a wonderful experience, loved every bit of it, and the practical experience which I gained from there is something that I loved. They are teaching us to be better professionals, have better ethics. When I graduate from here, I can go straight into the job market and explore what opportunities are out there. I would say that particularly for sports and exercise science, this is your go-to university and you wouldn't regret your decision. That is something I learned.